So how do you change the language of your iPhone? Let's get into it. So, of course, the language which applies or, you see all over your phone can be managed in the settings. So from the options, make sure you are on the main page. Scroll down a bit until you find the general section. And in the general, you should be able to find another menu titled language and region. So this is what it looks like, and you can see the languages at the top right there. Keep in mind at first that the region section doesn't automatically change the language, so you can keep it at whatever you want, but it doesn't affect the language. The languages are at the top, and for me, I have two of them. I have the English and a Slovak language selected. And essentially, if I want to add a new one, I'll click on the blue button to add it. And let's say I want to add the German right here. So I'm going to click on it. And right now I can either choose to use German, meaning that my phone will restart and switch to that language, or just add it to my preferred languages and keep using English. So that's how it works. I cancel, so I still have two languages right here, right? And what's important to know is that as you are in here in this section, it also works on the order basis. So you can essentially reorder these languages, and if I grab the Slovak language and put it on top and release my finger, the phone will restart and the language will be set to that one, right? So it works in that order, and you can see English is on the top of the list, so it is the one selected. But if I reorder them and choose something else to be on top of the list, then that is going to be the main language. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know below. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, and I hopefully get to see you in the future.